Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you Shopify free trial and how you can create a Shopify store for completely free. Just go for Shopify here. Once you type Shopify, you will get this website. Click on it. And once you click on it, automatically you will get this trial. So in your case, it could be written here $1. The price is changed in country to country, right? For example, in your case, you can just create a store and you have to just pay $1 for the first month. That is a great offer. Just go and click on start free trial. Automatically you will be here. You can just select any of the option because it doesn't matter. If you want skip all, you can skip all because it doesn't matter. Select your country, click on the next. Just wait for a few seconds. Automatically now it will ask you to sign up with your email. So let's go and click sign up with our email, right? So I will just go and click on sign up with the email. Once you have entered the email and the password, click on create Shopify account. So here it will take a little bit of time, just 10 to 20 seconds. It is building your store and it's saying almost done. And as we can see here, we are into the Shopify dashboard. So you will get a 3-day completely free for the trial. You don't need to pay a single penny. But after the 3 days free trial, you have to go and click on select a plan. And after that, you have to pay only $1 or 20 rupees, depending upon the country. That is pretty low amount. You can just pay and you can use it for completely, for a month. So that's a great plan. I hope you found this information really useful. Subscribe.